Hello dear teachers, this is Sanjay Kumar Patil, Headmaster, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Air Force Station. Now our next session is on creating GIF images. Now here you can see one example of GIF image. Now this type of images are mostly used in PowerPoint presentations for making animation. So what is GIF? GIF, graphic interchange format. Graphics interchange format. So GIF is an image file format. It is used for images on the web in software programs, and it does not degrade the quality of the image. So mostly in educational purpose we are using it in PowerPoint presentation to make it more effective. So today we will learn how to make these GIF images. It is very simple. Only 3 steps are there. First, we require 3 or more images in continuity. Then after that we have to remove the background from the images. And third step is creating this GIF image online. So our first step is downloading 3 or more images in continuity. Now suppose we want to make the same GIF. So for that we'll go to google.co.in, flying birds, images. Now there are many pictures are there. I select this image. I clicked on the image. Now always remember the picture you want to download. Always click on that picture. When it goes to the website, this website, then you download it. If you directly download from this here, the quality of the picture will not be that much good. So always click on it. Then when the picture shows from the website, then you save the image. Save images. I will make a new folder. So I will save this image in this folder. This is the first image, birds image full. So I saved this image in my folder. Okay, so here you can see the pictures in continuity. So I will select 1, 2, 3 pictures. So this is my picture. Now I want only this part of bird. Only this bird I want. So for that I will go to snipping tool. Right snipping tool. So this is my snipping tool. Click on new. So this image I want. So I will take this much of image. Then file, save as. This is my, so on my desktop I am having the folder GIF1. I will save it as bird1. Save. So this is my bird1. Then again file, new snip. Now I want the second bird. So copy the second bird. This is my second bird. So file, save as. This is my bird 2. Save it. Again new snip. This is my third bird. This is my third bird. So file, save as bird 3. Save. Again I want fourth one. New snip. This is my fourth bird. So file, save as bird 4. So now I am having 4 images of the bird. See here. This is my first image which I downloaded. Then bird 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 images are there. Now next step is remove the background of the image. So to remove the background image, I will go to website remove.bg. Remove.bg. So you will go to google.co.in. Google.co.in. Here I will put remove.bg. Remove.bg. So here I can see the image website www.remove.bg. So click on remove.bg. See here. Now again see here, upload image. So I will go to upload image. Then my image is in GIF1. So this is my bird 1. So this is the image 1. Download. So this is the bird 1. Again upload. I will take bird 2. So I got this image. Download. Then again third image you have to upload. Upload image bird 3. Download. So see here, bird 1, bird 2, bird 3 images we have got. Again upload image. Now I want the fourth one, bird 4. So this is the fourth bird. Download. So I got all the 4 images, bird 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will go to the folder, show in folder. So it will be shown in the downloads. So copy all these, copy 1, 2, 3, 4. Control C. Then my folder is GIF1. So I will paste in my folder GIF1. So these are all the image. Bird 1, bird 2, bird 3, bird 4. You can see the removed background. There is no background here. Okay, we'll now our third step. Fourth step is online creating GIF images. Now how I can create GIF image? So for that I will go to the website. The website is given here, ezgif.com, ezgif.com. So again go to the website, or you can search www.google.co.in. So go to ezgif. So easy GIF images. Remember, easy GIF images. So this is the website, EZGIF images. So here we will go to GIF maker. So go to GIF maker. Now see here. So animator GIF maker. Choose files. So click on choose files. So this is my folder. Now here we have to upload the images from which we have removed the background. So select sequence wise, bird 1, bird 2, bird 3, bird 4. So open. So 4 files we have selected. Upload and make GIF. Click on upload and make a GIF. So these are the 4 images. Delay time. So what is delay time? It gives the speed, how much speed you want. So we want 20. So keep it 20 here. One more thing is, as your images are not equally sized. Yes, our images are not equally sized, so it will resize. So resize. So all frames are resized, so they all are now equal. So this is delay time. Delay time is delay time is 1 by 100 of second. 1 by 100 of the second. So you can increase or decrease from here. One more thing you have to see here, loop count means how many times you want the action of the bird. So always keep it loop forever. Keep loop counters empty, loop forever. Don't put anything here. Then one more effect you have to keep, don't stack frames. So removes the frame when it's time to display next one. So only one image will be seen at a time. Now see, if I go to make a GIF, so when I clicked on make a GIF, I will get the image here. So I will get the image like this. So this is the image we will get final. So final GIF image is like this. So first, I will repeat again. First, we have to find 3 or more images in continuity like this: bird 1, bird 2, bird 3, bird 4. Then we have to remove the background using the website remove.bg. Remove.bg. Third step, creating GIF. Creating GIF. So from that website ezgif.com, ezgif.com, we can create GIF images. This is the GIF image website, and www.remove.bg is the website to remove the background. So the things which we require are images, then images we have to cut down or crop it using the function snipping tool. If you are using the mobile, you can use the crop button, and from the laptop or desktop use the snipping tool. Then after that we have to remove the background of the images. Then final, making the online GIF. We will go to website ezgif. See, this is we have done the work. 4 images. This was the main image. From this image we cropped 4 images by using the snipping tool. In mobile you can use crop the image. So not only from the laptop, you can use your mobile also. In mobile you will use crop button, and other functions are same. You will go to website remove.bg, select these images and remove the background. You will go to then GIF maker ezgif.com, then you can make a GIF like this. So I hope you like this session. If any queries are there, we will try to sort it out. Thank you very much.